What's up guys, I'm Akila. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this silk press on my own hair. This isn't my first time doing a silk press on my natural hair, but it is the first successful attempt. So if you'd like to see the products that I used and the method that I took to get to this, please keep on watching. Initially, when I started recording this video, it was supposed to be just a voiceover. You guys can see that my hair is already straightened. I had went to the hairdresser for a haircut and a silk press. I'm taking one of my water bottles to wet my hair before I put on my Amika Nourishing hair mask. I really love this hair mask. I feel like it does a really good job at moisturizing my hairs. I use this as like a pre-poo treatment before I wash my hair, and I left it on for like 30 minutes. I'm doing this process, it kind of looks like I have a little bit of heat damage, but for me it takes a little while and a lot of water for my curls to completely revert, especially when I go to my hairdresser. I don't know what process she uses, but my hair could stay straight as long as I don't wet it. After I'm done with the hair mask, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair. I'm using Herbal essence. I haven't used Herbal essence in a very long time. The only reason why I used it was because of the fragrance. Like, it's so nostalgic to me, and I wanted like a very basic shampoo that was just going to wash my hair and not leave any residue, so I went with that one. Okay, I'm back and I don't have any new heat damage. I always had some in the front. Every time I go for my haircut, we cut a little bit more off, but I do have some in the front, and yeah, look how pretty my hair looks. And I'm so surprised because I used Herbal essence, the one that used to smell really nice when we were growing up. I used that one, and I'm so surprised at how nice my curls look. They never look like this. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start off by sectioning off my hair in 4. That'll make the blow drying process a lot easier. I'm gonna go ahead and detangle, starting from the bottom. And I'm using a Detangling brush. If you're natural and you don't own one of these brushes, like, I highly recommend it. During my hair journey, like, I've been natural a few times, and like, I'm 100% sure if I had this brush the first few times I tried to go natural, it would have made such a big difference for me, because the hardest part for me was always detangling my hair, and this just makes it so much easier. Okay, and just like that, I'm all detangled. So since we're flat ironing my hair, I'm trying not to put a lot of products in my hair. When you're straightening your hair, you don't want to use a lot of products. I'm for sure going to be using heat protectant. This one's by Cheat, and I'm going to be using Biosilk Silk Therapy, and just make sure I get all of my hair. And the last product that I'm going to use is the Colourpop Coat. It's hard to show it because of the metallic bottle, but everybody swears by this when it comes to like straightening your hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a few squirts. And that product is activated once you apply heat or blow dry your hair. So okay, I'm done with this section, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the rest of my hair. Okay, so I'm done with the products. For the blow dryer, we're going to be using the new Irresistible Me Black Diamond blow dryer. They sent this to me for review. I haven't used it yet, but my little sister has. She used it to like apply her wigs and stuff, so I'm going to be giving it a try today. It also comes with these nozzles for the front part if you're like a round brush kind of girl. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. It has a few different settings on here, and it even has the cool shot. And we're gonna start off in the back, and I'm going to section off this section too, just so I could get a even dry. Usually I use my ℸ𝕤𝕒 brush when I'm blow drying my hair, but today we're gonna try one of these. My hairstylist uses like a paddle brush, so I'm gonna try this. If I don't like it and it feels like it's pulling too much of my hair out, I'll switch back to my ℸ𝕤𝕒, but so far it feels okay. Wow. Just with that one pass, I think it's dry. It's just one spot on my roots that's still wet, but it's pretty much dry. Wow. For it to be so small and compact, it works really well. I think this should be a breeze to do my whole head. Okay, so it's 3:12 now. I'm just going to go ahead and speed through blow drying the rest of my hair and see how long it takes. Okay, I am back. It's now 3:31. When I wrapped up, it was probably like 3:25. I had to go find my flat iron. I just got back from a trip and all my stuff was in my suitcase. So this is what my hair is looking like blow dried. I don't really blow dry my hair often, so I'm not really too sure how long it usually takes people, but I feel like that didn't take too long. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and part this up. My hair feels super soft. It doesn't feel like there's a whole bunch of products in it, which is exactly what I was going for. So hopefully when I flat iron it, it's not gonna look greasy or anything. This is my tried and true flat iron. It's a NuMe flat iron. I've had this for, I think I had this flat iron for like 5-6 years, and nothing gets my hair as straight as this flat iron does. When I was relaxed, this was like my go-to flat iron. Like I had a cheap one from like Walmart. I think it was like a Remington, and it wasn't until I got the NuMe that I realized that there was a difference between flat irons, and I understand why people pay the amount of money for a good flat iron that they do, because there's definitely a difference. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start off this section off a little piece. Yeah, so I'm only gonna do one pass, so that will reduce the chances of heat damage. I also like to do the chase method with a rat tail comb. I should have wore like a light shirt so you guys could see, but it's pretty straight. I do have some pieces that I missed. The last time I tried to give myself a silk press, like my hair was still kind of puffy, so I'm hoping this time it looks better. Okay, here it is with one side done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm done with the flat iron and this is what my hair is looking like. It's really silky and straight, way straighter than the first time I tried to do this. The only problem is I think my roots, I don't think I got close enough, so I do feel that my roots are a little bit curly. For the most part, it looks pretty good. Usually when I get my hair done, my stylist like leaves it in like these really amazing curls that drop. I'm not that talented with it, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. I feel like it looks really nice and silky. This is what my edges look like. I could probably go in with the flat iron to make sure that they're straight, but I'm lazy, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. So there you have it guys. That is how I give myself a silk press at home. Came out a lot better than the first time I tried it, and I'm super happy with it. Even though I feel like I figured out how to do it in a way that I like it, I'm not going to be flat ironing my own hair at home often. After this, I probably might just wear my hair natural again for a little bit. In all honesty, I am so tired of wearing wigs. They're so annoying and it's so much upkeep. So I've been really enjoying wearing my own hair, whether it's straight or in its natural state. At this moment, I just prefer to wear it that way. And if I want length, I just put it in my Irresistible Me clip-ins. So that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Let me know down below if you give yourself a silk press or flat iron your own hair down below. And if you found today's video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.